Need to use an S2 jaw and an ASSA specific auxiliary block to hold the key flat. 1mm decoder and 2.0mm cutter are also required for this key. Click Search, Input, ID1571 to enter the key data page, switch to side A of S2 jaw. Fix the ASSA special auxiliary block at the jaw, then fix the original key by shoulder alignment, shown in figure. Please make sure the key is fixed flatly and the jaw is clean of shavings, then click Decode to start decoding. After decoding is done, fix a new key by shoulder alignment at side A of S2 jaw, shown in figure. Make sure the key is fixed flatly and the jaw is clean of shavings, then click Cut to start cutting. All cutting is done, please clean shavings and test that the new key works well.